So the first issue for a DAO admin would be if he wants to port his DAO, he cannot do it easily, and he has to incur some cost. And also, like, gas always fluctuates, and you would want to like vote from some chain which actually is cheap. And also, like, if you do bridge your tokens from one chain to other chain, when you do and again you want to vote, you have to go through this whole bridging process again. The solution. So Imperial Vote utilizes wormhole to perform inter-blockchain operations, communication. And so basically, internally what happens is, like, you have one contract called DAO on one main chain, and you have multiple voting contracts in other chains. And what it basically does is, like, when you do have a proposal created on the main chain, it goes to the next chain. Sorry. The proposal gets transferred to the second chain, and when the time like expires for the proposal, the execution would then
so basically, as you were saying, that when one contract tries to contact the other one, we are using the wormhole protocol, where the communication is such that when it tries to send the communication, it's a multicast thing. It doesn't need to specify where that what the destination contract is, because there's a set of guardians who will do the VA signing, and then the relayers come into picture in wormhole. So when the guardians get the communication, that they just have to verify whether this communication came from the contract that it is saying it came from. And if they can verify that, and they have a set of 19 guardians, so if 13 out of them sign the VAs, then it's good to go, and then the relayers can come into the picture and take it to its destination address there. And once the voting, the time expires, as we were saying, then we'll get the result back of whether it passed or not, how many numbers of yeses and nos, and based on that we can show the result of front end. So advantages, as you mentioned, that cost effective, we can reduce the gas that we have to pay because the voting is done on a separate chain. We can have multi-chain DAOs. We can also send a communication to multiple chains because it's a multicast, and it gives you a whole unified experience where using one platform you can send DAOs to multiple chains, and it decentralizes the front end. And our plan for the future is to provide a set of tools using which we can enable off-chain voting as well. For example, if you want to enable the functionality to vote via, let's say, Telegram bots or something, that would be pretty handy. And unified development of smart contracts as well, like maybe a factory or something that can create contracts or proposals and the complete set of the flow on its own. And this is our team. Any questions? Quickly show you a couple of front-end websites that we created. Just a description of what we are doing.
So we created this application according to our implementation, and here this is the welcome screen, and this is the launch button where we can launch our app where the voting can happen. And this is about us, what our application does, and we have details about us, what are the benefits of our application. Then we have the advantages of Imperial Vote. So as you guys might have understood by now, that it's very cost effective. because if you suppose have tokens in one of the chains, then definitely it would be not possible to vote. So it's cost effective. We can use tokens from different chains as well. We have multi-chain links and unified experience. This is just some attractive stuff we have added here. So this is the additional feature: vote in any DAO from anywhere. And our application would be shown here due to the time constraint. We are unable to show right now. Moving on here, this is our development team. That's it. That's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening.
Any questions?
Do you have any questions?
Who's the journalist?
These are journalists.
Yeah, he doesn't like to show his picture.
Nice to know. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.